Hi friends, I am Sanjay. I hope all of you are good. In this video, our discussion topic will be architecture model. I have one architecture live project. Here I will create architecture and structure model. Let me show you these things. And here you can see this is the layout for footing and this is the layout for plan view. So this is the, I believe it will be the first floor, and let me check here the section. So one, I have a hand sketch section, you can find it from here. So this is the road level, ground floor, and this will be the first floor, and this is the roof. So this will be the floor to floor distance, and I have to create the Revit level first. So let me go to the Revit, and here you can see there are two Revit model I have opened. So one for structure and another for architecture. So these are the tower model I have created for our tower MEP progress. But here in this video I will copy the standard and everything to create the architecture model from the start. So let me start here. So for that I have to create first structure. So this will be the first priority. In that case I have to go to the structure, here structure model, and you can check this is structure, and here I have to take the project from start. So here file, and here new, and here project. After that this one, and here architecture template I will take, and after that project, and then okay. So I can take architecture. Okay, let me check another file and new, maybe there is structure. So project and structure also I can take the structure template and project, then click OK. I will take the structure template instead of architecture. So close the unnecessary view, and this is the architecture template model. So close this one, and here this is the structure. So let me check first. Here you can check this project will be in Imperial. In that case I have to take all the unit setup as Imperial. So let's go to the Revit, and here first let me save the file. Okay, file and save the file, and let me save it home structure, then save. Now let me check here, this is a section for structure model, and here this is the structure model for the new project. And let me check the structure CAD file, and here you can see these are the CAD file. So here this is the CAD, and here this is also the CAD drawing. So the two are different. So problem is this drawing. Okay, so this is the master bedroom, and I believe this will be the center line plan, and the center line plans as per this picture you can see. So first let me create the level, then I will do the other thing. So go to the Revit, and here I have to go to the north or east I can go, and here level 1, level 2, these are the inbuilt levels. So I have to delete them, but you can edit them also. So here the first will be, you can see road level, but the elevation measurement is not taken. So in that case road level I have to take it as 0. So ground floor I will take 3 feet 6 inch above the road level. So in that case road level will be the 0 level. So here check here the road level. Let me take the name ROAD road level. So just click yes. After that this level 2, just let me check here. After that ground floor level. So here in this Revit take the ground floor level, perfect. Just here yes. Okay, in that case you can check everything is renamed as per the new name. And after that let me check here, this will be the first and roof. So you can take 3 feet 6 inch. So let me check here this is metric unit. So in that case unit UN shortcut, and here I need to take the length as imperial standard. So here you can take feet, and here you can take this much, no problem, and suppress 0, no problem. And in that case click OK, and OK. So here the levels you can check. So after that 3 feet 6 inch it will be the distance, 3 feet 6 inch. Let me go to the Revit, and here just edit the value here 3 feet, remove 1, and 6 inch. So here 6 inch. So here the distance you can see 3 feet 6 inch. After that here I have to take the first level. So the elevation will be 11 feet 6 inch. So here you can see copy, and you can take 11 feet 6 inch. So here DI you can measure it from here to here 11 feet 6 inch, and here 3 feet 6 inch. After that let me check here 10 feet 6 inch. it will be the roof, and here 10 feet 6 inch, copy the level, and here 10 feet 6 inch. So yeah, this is okay. So di dimension and 10 feet 6 inch. So total elevation is how much? So you can check from here, 25 feet 6 inch. So okay, as per this section, so let me check here. After the level, I have to take the level in the Revit, also in the plan view. So here this is level 4, the name I have to take. This is the first floor level, and here I have to take the name, first floor level. Okay, so level, and after that you can take the name roof. So here just edit the name roof, and after that there is no remaining work from this section, so you can check everything. So load level. So now let me check the CAD, and here you can see the first will be the structure layout, as I am creating structure first, and here this is structure layout here, and another drawing is here. So which one I can take? This is a final set of drawing. So final, this is a final, and here this is not final. In that case, this is a final. Here, from here I will take this one. For which level I'm not sure, because in this CAD this is not mentioned. So first floor they mention here, so I believe it will be the first floor. If this is first floor, how the curve will place here? Because first floor I cannot move our car, so in that case it will be like ground floor. If this is ground floor, so in that case what will be this? So I have to think about this. So here let me check again. So this is the stair, and this is the room, and here this is a bedroom, this is one bedroom, toilet, and here this is one bedroom. Okay, so there are no plumbing fixture or other thing mentioned. In that case it is only a plan. So the structure, the stair, you can see here stair also, so it will be the ground floor 100%, because you know there is no furniture or other things, so it means that this is not a architecture layout. So it will be architecture layout, and from here I will take the final ground floor, and this will be the first floor. So this is final, and here in that case here you can see tick mark is here, means this will be the final layout. So in that case this is the structure, and this is also structure. So I have to take the thing from here. So just this is the latest footing, and here for that just let me check the dimension, is it okay? Or here let me measure it. If this is 4 feet, means 4 feet 6 inch, means this is in the scale. So there is, this drawing is not in T scale, so it will be good. So what we will do then, select all the element, and after the W block means you can export this element only into the separate block. So here I have to save. So structure F-236 footing, that's final, and I need to save the CAD block, and I have to take the inch. Okay, so inch, or you can take unitless. No, I have to take inch, that's final, and here okay. After that this block also I need to export it. So W block, and here the save the file here, structure footing base. So I believe it will be helpful to link this CAD also in the Revit. So save the file, and the unit will be inch, and okay. Now these two blocks are exported into the another block. So here from this layout I have to take this as a ground floor. So here select this element and W block, and here go to this location, and here architecture arch ground floor. So this will be the background link. So just save the CAD block, and here inch, and okay. After that let me take this block. So here select the elements and W enter. Let me save the file into the arch first floor. So first will be the name, and save the CAD block into inch unit, and after that you know everything is now final from the CAD. So no need CAD now. So go to the Revit, and here you can see these are the levels. I have to bring them into the plan view. So here you can see already ground floor level is loaded and the road level is also loaded, and I have to take the first floor and roof. So for that, go to the view and here plan view and here floor plan, and after that first floor and roof I have to take them all, and here you can see first floor and roof, all floor are now visible. So ceiling plan I can take also for the first floor, because in the roof there will be no ceiling. In that case, go to the view and here reflective ceiling plan, and here first floor I have to take only, and okay. So after that first floor also in the ceiling plan, so no need to take any other view. So these are the layout, these are the plan, these are the view I need for now. So here where I can work first. So first I have to draw the structure. So for this I have to load them into the Revit. So here go to the Revit, and here the road level, it will be the starting level to draw the structure model. In that case, so here I have to load the CAD drawing. So link CAD I have to take always, and here structure footing, that file I need. So current view only, and auto detect I can take origin to origin, that's final, and open. Let me check where it will load, and here you can see this file is loaded into this location, and our coordinate location is here. So I need to move them, because I have received this CAD drawing, so I will consider this is the final location, but problem is that they have copied only. So in that case, what you can consider your own location, and in case if you have plan view in the original location, in that case you cannot move your CAD, but here I believe they have copied only. So in that case I will move this CAD into this main location into the Revit. So here for that, as this is a link file, in that case you cannot select. So for that, so here you can unpin and here unattach. So you can unpin first, and you can move your element in this location. You see, it is the main location in the Revit, 0 location you can say, and here this is the footing. And let me first take the unit. So I can take 1:50. In that case, how I can take? So 1:, this will be okay. This is 25 scale, and here 1:2. So here let me take which one I can take. So as per this drawing you can see in the CAD, so they took 1:1 scale. Okay, so I can take also 1:1 scale in the Revit. So here you can see 1:1 also will be available. So I'm looking for it. So here 1 feet equal to 1 inch. So I cannot. So 1:1 I can, or okay, let me take this one. So yeah, I believe this is good, I believe. And here you can see the dash everything, line style looks okay as per this thing. And I can take this first, or you can take 1:1/4 or 1/8. So 1:1/2 also you can take. So these are the general format for the scale for the imperial unit. So here first take the fine, and here just wireframe, and no need to change the scale. First let me draw the model. Before draw it, so let me take another CAD into the Revit. So here for that, link CAD, and here after that, here the structure footing base, and select it, current view only, and open. After that you can see it is loaded. Now move this drawing. Here you can select it, unpin first, then move it. But here notice the thing, here the common point is the corner. So I can take this corner, and here I can take the same corner, just take the corner here. Okay, I believe good, or it is little bit change. So here TL first, and you can see the different, and here I have to resolve these things, and here you can move the element here on this location. Now they are matched as per this plan setup, and now you can start your footing model. So here you can see the two different model. So one for the base for the ground floor, and another for the footing. So to model the footing, in that case this CAD need to hide. So for that VV, and here import category, and here the structure base I need to hide it first, and now the footing need to be visible. And another thing, so just take the VB and here import category first and just click OK. One thing will be the first, here the lock tool, you can see both the CAD drawings are not locked. In that case, select the CAD first, this is the footing base, and here just pin the CAD drawing, and after that HH hide it, and this drawing I need to select it and then lock it, and here both the drawing are now locked. And now you can see the snap, it means the element it is in the Revit. If you want to show off the snap, in that case as this is a pin element, in that case take the pin, and here you cannot snap it, so it is a object but you cannot select it. And if you take this attach here, so this attach means you cannot select any attached element. So now these all options should be cross, means they should be turned off, because for safety purpose maybe in that case your model can move anywhere. So to prevent this thing, so you have to take them all first, and now your model is ready. So in that case HR, and here VB again, and imported category just turn off again. Now you can see all CAD are now pinned. In that case you can start your model. So just close the unnecessary view, and this is the section for the structure, and this is the road level. So now I have to draw the model. So you can see the footing. So what is the footing? Let me check on the Google. So let me show you, this is the footing as per this CAD. The block you can see here, the CAD here you can see the block, this block is this one. So this one is the block, and after that you can see the framing and all this thing. I will not show the framing, in that case I will show the only block, because in Tekla or Revit there will be another add-ins by which you can create the structural framing in the Revit also, but this is not our scope. I have to generate the 3D model first. In that case what we'll do, so I have to take the block. So here you can see as per Google, so they have shown 1.2 meter, 1.2 meter is the size, and the depth they have took the 500 mm. In that case also I will take the same thing. If I will check there the distance they have taken, so window R and calculator. So here I can take the calculator, and 5 feet means 5 into 300, so it will be 1.5 meter, and 6 inch is the extra. So 6 inch already you know, plus something, so here plus 150. This will be the size for this box, but here I will not do anything. What I will do, for information only I have shown you, but problem is that here go to this structure drawing, and here all the thing I have already generated. So in that case what I'll do, select this as a footing, and here for that you can see this is basement floor. So let me check on the basement floor if I have this thing, and here already this thing I already have. So copy the one element, and here in this project you can copy and Ctrl V, and here you can take the element anywhere, just like here I need, or I can take, so here I can take first here. Okay, so just take it. You can see the model is not visible, so go to the 3D, and here you can check model is there but it is not visible. As you can see, go to the front, and here this model is placed below this level. In that case you have to move up, move up, move up, and after that so this model will be here in below level. So in that case you have to take it here in somewhere in this location, and let me check on this east elevation, and here take the distance here 10 feet. I can take 20 feet, or let me check here the road level, and I have to set the view range 20 feet below it. So for it, so the depth you can see I can take it 20 feet, and no need to take the bottom, just click okay. I have to view depth, so view depth 20 feet is okay. I have to take minus, so take the minus and apply it. You can see the block is visible here, so I need to edit the block. So I believe the parameter is here. Let me check here, this is the parameter. So for that I have to redefine the sizes. So here for that, and I have already the size 5 feet 6 inch. In that case go to this edit type and here duplicate. I need a block for 5 feet 6 inch and 5 feet 6 inch. Okay, so here I can take, and here 5 feet 6 inch, and the depth will be 500. So 500 I can take it in this converter. So let me check the converter distance, and every time I have to convert it from the millimeter to the feet or inch, I can say. So here I have the data 500, so 19.68504. so this is the actual value. So I can take 20 inch. Okay, and here the width I can take 5 feet 6 inch. Okay, 6 inch, and here also I can take 5 feet 6 inch. So the thickness I believe it will be 20 inch. After that, now take this distance as the length and just leave it, and okay, now you can see it is matching. So move it and move along with this original location. And as per the section, let me take a section first. Okay, so here will be the section, and here the go to the section, and this will be the road level, and here this will be the up to the roof. And let me check here the scale. You can see already it is this, and here I have to take it for it will be good. And here just select the element, and okay, I can take this distance, so this much 4 feet. Now I can take it up to 8 feet. Okay, let me take it 8 feet. Okay, that's good, I believe. And after that, so close the basement floor, and here go to the road level, and now I have to take the column, and this is a column, and here so around it there will be some finishing wall, you can see. So I have to create this wall in the architecture. The structure element I have to create in the structure model. So let me take this element first. So in that case, go to the section 2, and here you can see here already I have taken the thing. Here go to level 2, and I can take one model from here. So just you can select it from here, so copy it from here, so it will be easy. So no need to set anything. So here go to this view and Control V, and okay, so here you can place your element, and after that you can edit the profile. So here edit profile, and the section, okay, this will be a wall. So this is not a column or something. So for that, let me check again. Then here anything like this, so go to the level 2 again, or here go to the ground again. Let me check one by one floor. Maybe I can find one sample from which I can take the copy. So there is nothing, only the same thing like this. No, so here you can see, so the same thing. No need to take this one, so only I can take this as a column. So here I cannot rotate, I believe. So just copy the section, rotate it, and I need to check how it looks in this section, and here it looks like this. So I cannot rotate, only I can edit it. So here you can stretch the element like this, but the size what it will be, go to the road level, and here you can rotate it, so 90, and here DI, and let me take 7 inch. So the 7 inch this side, and DI again, this size will be 1 feet 4 inch. Let me take the distance first. So here I have to take it, so just you can align, I believe. So align it, and here up to this you can align it. So after that you have to stretch the element. So for that, how you can, so go to the section, let me check. So here this much I have to stretch it up to this, and after that I have to take it 7 inch. So here let me check the length, it is now 1 feet. So here you can change it 1 feet 3 inch, it is the size for this. Let me check here the parameter length, and I can align it. Let me check on the level. Let me align it. I believe, let me check here, this corner I can take it, or let me check it first. Let me check it. Okay, so here you cannot do this like this. So for that, edit profile, and here the elevation I have to take to section 1, no problem, and you can change the size. So here let me take the dimension from here. So I have to take it 7 inch. So here I have to take 7 inch and remove constant and finish it. Or let me edit again, and this edge line I can move it, or let me check. So this is the reference, so you cannot move this side. So here let me Ctrl Z again, and Ctrl Z and Ctrl Z. So this side I can fix. So here 7 inch will be the okay. So the same thing, no problem. You cannot change this thing, so just leave it for now. So finish it, and you can stretch the reference up to this and go to the plan, and after that you can rotate. Okay, so again rotate 90 degree. You cannot rotate. So what is the problem? So again, so the scene has been changed. So here it has been rotated. How? So I have to take it up to this. You can see the result is like this. So I cannot move it. So Ctrl Z again and Ctrl Z. So here Ctrl Z. Now I have to find another option. So edit profile, it is not working here. So section this one, and here you can not change it. So here this is 1 feet 4 inch. So here 1 feet 4 inch. So you cannot change it here. So just close this one and take another section. So this section I have to open, and here edit profile, and here the same thing, 1 feet 4 inch, same thing here. So I cannot edit. So to edit this thing, so here edit type, let me check the parameter, anything we have. So here the structure. So here the structure, this thing I have to take it different. So here I have to take 7 inch, and okay, let me check what will happen. So it will be a experiment. So here it is working. So here this is the element. So just move the element, and here you can move it, and let me check the section again. So this is the element. Now this is final. So this column will run up to the roof, up to road level. Now you can take. So I will edit it in next time. So for now, go to the plan, and here go to the 3D. So here it looks like this, and just take the fine and set mode. It looks like this, and go to the road level, and here the next thing what I can. So you can check first again. So the distance is now this much. So is it okay, or I can reduce it? I believe 8 feet is this much. So road level is here. If you are moving this element here, so in that case this building will not stable. In that case I have to take the element maximum 2 feet I can move up. So here you cannot move. So move like this. No, you cannot. So you can move it like this. So here make it 6 feet, and you can stretch the element up to this, and it is like this. So take this element now like this, and after that, so what sir told me, I have to take the floor thickness 250 and the finished floor will be 100 mm. So total will be 350. You can see what he has told me. So in that case you can see 250, and here 100 mm will be the thickness for the finished floor, and now total will be 350. So 250 I have to take the finished floor. In that case I have to take the finished floor first. So go to the plan, and here I have to take the finished floor, and here for that go to the architecture or structure you can go. So I have to draw the floor. In that case floor is not available here. So okay, go to the architecture, and floor is available here. So I have to take the structural floor, and you can take this floor, or I have another standard. So just finish this or close this one. Let me show you this thing here. because you can see everything is now set here. So in that case I can take this floor. Okay, so you can see you cannot edit it because it may be inside other model. So select it, and this is the tower external model, no need. So I can create a new floor, so just leave it and just close them. And here go to, this is the road level, and after that I have to take this floor. Okay, so here you can see floor, structural floor, and here you can take the line. So you can drag the line. So what will be the starting point, and here the starting point is here, and take the line. So like this you can take it. So tab it, or you can find the snap, and after that there is no point here. Here is a point, next point, and after that there will be another point here, or if it is here, so where the other line. So just take the line here and take the another line from here. You can take it up to this, and up to this you can take now. So here, so to see the line properly you have to check the CAD. So here let me see for the structure this drawing, and here the line, this is up to this, and here this is the corner, it goes up to the corner, then go straight. And for that go to the Revit, again draw the line, and here this line will be up to this, and then trim the corner, and now it's good. And next what will be the step, so just you can finish it and just leave the save, and here go to the section. Okay, so go to the view, and here the floor. So as per the section you can see. Okay, so here no information for the floor thickness. I have to take the floor thickness as 350. So you can see the floor thickness is 400. I have to take it 250. So here edit type, and here 400, any 250 available, no. So here duplicate, and let me take it 250 and remove the 2. Okay, and here structure, and here you can take it 250. So if you go for 250, so then 250 you can take. So the inch value will be 9.8452. so the thickness should be in imperial. So 250 means how much? So I have to make it 250. So for that, just first let me check the unit. Okay, so UN, and here let me take it millimeter. Okay, so millimeter for now only, and you can check here. So section, so select the floor and edit type, and here edit, and you can take it 250. And in the category, so I have to take a hatch. So here new material, and here rename. I have to take the hatch for concrete. So just you can take the concrete hatch like this also you can take. You can see the setup is already done, so you can take this one first. So I can take this one also. So here on the appearance there is all set. Now go to the graphics. Now everything is fine, so just click OK and click OK and click OK. Now you can see the hatch look like this. So as per the client request, he told me the finish floor should be 100 mm. So in that case move the element 100 for now, and here I have to show the another finish floor. So here copy the floor, again copy it here, then edit type, and here in the edit type duplicate, and let me take it 100. Okay, so remove the 2 and okay, and here in the structure take the value 100, and here the material I can take a normal like sand or something. So here anything like sand, or if I have no such material, then let me check. So here I believe I can find sand. So this is the said steel, and here roof. So roof you can take, let me check. No, you cannot take. Sash means what? you cannot take. So here for that, so just create new. Okay, it will be good for us. So here rename, and it will be finish floor, enter. Then here you can take the hatch. Here the hatch pattern you can take as a sand, or like this you can take gypsum. Gypsum is not good, I believe, so you can take another hatch. Like, let me check the sand, you can take this one also. So okay, and the foreground you can take the same pattern, and the sand is here, so sand will be here. So take this one, and okay. And here the color I don't need to change it. And in the appearance you can take the color, you can take it this one, or you can take this one for good view. And here reflectivity no, because this is not metal. So transparency I don't need. So graphics, just click OK and OK. And you can see this is the new layer. So this is the new floor, and the hatch is not visible. So for that you have to edit it again. And here structure, and in the material you have to take the cut pattern. Here you have to take the sand also. So here pick the sand dense, and OK and OK and OK and OK. So you can see now it is visible. So you can move the floor here. So, or before move, you can check another option I can try. So the option will be there, the floor is different, so you can make the floor together. So how it can possible? So in for that, so select this floor and edit type, and here I have to first rename it, or otherwise you can duplicate again. So you can duplicate. So here duplicate, and let me take 350, because maybe I don't want to disturb this new floor. So here OK, and just here structure, and here I need to add another. So insert, and this is the new, this is the another structure. So let me take 100, and here in that case finish floor I can take it, and OK. So in that case concrete, and here you have added finish floor material, and total will be 350 automatically. So just click OK, and here no need to change anything. So OK, and you can see now it is added here below it. So I need to move up again. So edit type, and here edit, and here I need to move up. So here I need move up here. Okay, then OK, then OK. Now you can see it is on the top side. So now this 100 mm finish floor we don't need it, but problem is that sometime, you know, for selection purpose, sometime you want to filter the finish floor only, and the structure you don't want to select. In that case, two floor you can create individually. So in that purpose only you have to take the floor different. And if you don't need separate floor, in that case you can merge these floors together, it will be also good. And just delete it, I don't need it. So here move it, and here move the floor, and now you can see it is here. So in that case you have to stretch the column, and here you can see the distance is like this. I can move more little bit. So let me change the unit. Okay, UN, and here again take the unit as feet, and here suppress 0. Okay and OK. So move the element again. So I need to move it more to feet. So here, or otherwise we have option like select the element first, then 8 feet I need. So here you can stretch the column up to this. Now it is clear, I believe. So here go to the road level, and here this is now done. So now I have to do the other floor. Now we have to copy the setup like this, and here you can see the hatch is visible. So I don't want to see this hatch. So for that you can see this hatch is not good. So here edit type, and here edit, and this, not this one I need to edit something. So here on the foreground I don't need this hatch. So here remove this hatch. So I don't need, so here none, and okay, and okay, and okay, and okay. So now go to the road level. Now it is same, so I have to check the pattern. And another option is that, so here go to the edit type again, and here go to the structure again, and here finish floor, and here I need the same hatch. No problem, I have another option to control the hatch, so sand dense, and okay, okay, and okay. So another option is that I don't want to show the floor in the plan view, so for that VV, and here, so I have to go to the model category, and here the floor, you can see the floors, I don't need to show them in the plan, so just click OK. Now the floor is vanished, so I have to hide the hatch, so this is the only solution. So again VV, and here floor I need to show them, and okay, and here for that, so go to the view, and here for that edit type, and again, so go to the structure and edit, and here for the concrete, let me see the setup. Again you can see in the background there is no hatch, and here foreground there is a hatch, but this is minor, and here the concrete hatch. So the cut plane there will be hatch, there the background there will be no hatch, and in the foreground there will be hatch. So this is the different. So here go to the finish floor, and here, so this hatch I don't need it, so here no pattern, okay, and let me check if it is working or not, and okay, and go to the road level, and still it is visible, you can see still it is visible. And if you remove this other floor, and here let me see what will happen. So here for that edit type, and here structure, and remove this thing, okay, so remove it. Let me check the problem where it is. So here go to the road level again, you can see the hatch is visible. So problem is not in the hatch, problem this floor will be visible in the plan. So Ctrl Z, now both the floors are here, so the finished floor and slab. So here edit type, and you can see I did not change anything, so I do the Ctrl Z, no problem. So escape, and now I need to hide the hatch, so only I need to show the external line. So here the external line I need to show only, and for that what we will do, so for that go to the VB, and here the floor, so the floor I need to make it transparent, so full transparent I need, and in that case you will hide the hatch, only the borderline you can show them in the drawing. So you can see now there is still hatch visible. So for that how I can, so let me check the setup. So the setup is like this, go to the view, and here select the floor, and go to the road level and edit type, and here go to the finish floor first, and here I don't need the hatch here, so remove the hatch here, and okay, and again this hatch I don't need the pattern on the foreground, so remove the pattern from here, no pattern I don't need it, so okay, and okay, and okay. Let me check the changes. So here the borderline is visible now, only the hatch is not showing here, so this is now solved I believe. And let me check the section, in the section there is no change in the hatch, so in the section I need this hatch obviously, and for that so this is I believe good. So now I have to make the other column, so there is two options. So you can see the measurement 5 feet 6 inch, and there is also 5 feet 6 inch. So before copy on the other places, so I have to make them group. So here select them, because maybe in future we need some changes. If I do changes on one group, the changes will be applied to the other group also. So here group it, and here so I need to take it column 1, and okay. So in that case go to the plan, and here you can select as a group, so copy the group from here, and here the constant I don't need it, so here you can move it, because you know the size is same, so 5 feet 6 inch. And let me find the 5 feet 6 inch also here, so copy it, and here I can copy it, so I can place it here and copy it and take the multiple, because I need on the different places in the same time. So here copy from here and place it here, and I'm looking for the another column, and here this is also 5 feet 6 inch, and there is any other 5 feet 6 inch. No, I believe the other sides are different, so in that case I have to copy. So copy it, and I need to make another block for 5 feet by 5 feet. So in that case, so here just ungroup and select the element and edit type. So here I need another group duplicate, and here 5 feet only I need, and here 5 feet I need, and 20 inch will be the common, and here I need to remove the 6 inch and remove the 6 inch, and okay and okay. You can see it is changing the size, and here select the element and rotate the column, and now you can move the column here on this location. Now you can see the sizes are different. So here di again, and let me check, this is 1 feet 1 inch. So in that case already the size is how much, 1 feet 4 inch. So here, so select it and you can reduce it like this, so it is working now. So the thickness, I believe it is different, 7 inch in that case. So edit type and here rename it, and I can take 7 inch, so for the good presentation, and okay and okay. So you can see the changes of this name. So you can move the element here on this location. So now it is okay, I believe, and the column location also good. Now you have to check the section, because I need another group. So here this is group, so these are inside the group, and I need the same here. So here I need the group with name C2, and okay. So here go to the plan again. So here copy, I have to copy it. So I have to find the 5 feet by 5 feet column where it is. So here 5 feet by 5 feet, it is 5 feet by 5 feet. So I need another column here, and it is aligned, okay, no problem. And 5 feet by 5 feet, I am looking for it, but it is not here. So 5 feet 5 feet is here, and another I am looking for. So let me find it. So 5 feet by 5 feet, this is 5 by 6, okay, no problem. So this is 5 feet 6 inch. So I believe no other group like this. So just escape, and now I have to copy the element on this location. So here ungroup first and select the element, again edit type, and here duplicate, and the size will be now 4 feet 6 inch. So 4 and 6 inch, and here also will be 4 6 inch, okay, 6i, and here 2 inch will be common, and okay. So here 4 and 6, and there will be no change. So here will be 4 6 inch. Now it is okay. So what will be the next? So just click ok. Now the column, I need to move it here, so on this location, and stretch the line up to this. Now you can see, and you can move the element from this location to this location. So it is now okay, I believe. So now you can check this element in the section. So just select them and group it, and I need to take it as a C3, and okay. So now go to the plan and copy the same group. So 4 feet 6 inch, this is also 4 feet 6 inch. I can copy one element here. So I have to find the another. So 4 feet 6 inch, no, 4 feet 6 inch by 5 feet 6 inch, and I believe I can find more. So here this is also different, and there is no such similar group. So just escape, and I need another group like here 7 feet. So for that I have to copy this one. So copy it, and I need copy here, and just ungroup and select the element, type, I need it, duplicate, and here 7 feet, and here 7 feet I can take, and 20 inch, remove the 2, okay, and 7 feet, and here it will be 7 feet, okay. So that's it, and okay. Now you can move your element on this location and move it. So move it on this location, and here I need it, and I need it to move on this location. And now what I need, so just move, or you can stretch the column up to this point, and now I believe it is good. So 7 feet column, there is no more 70 feet, so only 8 feet 6 inch. In that case you can make it group, because for safety purpose or for good naming, C4 it will be. And okay, now also the name C4 also available, so C1 I can take. Yeah, so C4 the name also same, so here I have to take it C4, C2 and C1. Now it is C1, so C2 1. Let me take the edit type, and the name should be C2, but already C2 is available, so C2 I should take first to rename it. And okay, and C1 it should be the C1 edit type, and here rename I can take it C1. And okay, so this is C1. Now I can make it C2, so edit type and rename I can make it C2, and I can take caps instead of small and C. Okay, so C2, and it should be C1 caps C1, so rename it first and make it C1. Okay, so here another is the C or F6, this is LC, or you can take FC F2. So footing number, these are the footing number, and I can take it LC again and rename it, and let me take LC. Okay, so that will be good, and let me take it. So this is LC, and now this is C1, it will be same, and here C3, and it is different. I have to rotate it, because you know the rotation here. Now it looks okay, and here after that everything looks good. So here 4 feet 6 inch I need another block, so copy, and I can move it or copy it here, and here 4 feet 6 inch no, and here let me rotate. Okay, so rotate 90 degree, and here when I am rotating here, in that case you can see it is also rotating, so again rotate it. Let me check why is the mistake. So rotate it. Okay, there was a mistake from first, no issue, everything is now as per the alignment. So here it is not rotating, I have to rotate it 90 degree, and if it is not matching, so you can see C1, so other C1 is okay, but here it is not matching. In that case ungroup, but don't change in the group. So in that case move the element on this location and select them, and it should be C1, but C1 is available here, so C1A I can take. So here C1A I can take, and okay, you can see the alignment now. Okay, the C2, the size is different, so that's why I have to take the different block. Now I have another 7 feet block here, so here copy the C4 block, so rename it again. So here rename, and C4 C should be caps, and this is the live project, so that's why I have to take it seriously and copy it, and copy it to this location, and the column location is also good, perfect, no issue. And now I have to make this block, so for that I have to take this one, and here I need to ungroup and select this group, and here select the element, here edit type, and here the duplicate. So here the block size will be 8 feet 6 inch, 8 feet 6 inch, and 20 inch will be the common, and here I only need to change here, so 8 it will be, and okay, and it is same, so move it, and here move the element on this location. Now you can rotate your element like this and move the element on this corner. So here you can stretch the point up to this. Now it is okay. So 8 feet 6 inch, there is no similar block or group, so just you can take it as a group name C5. So take the name and okay. So C5 is the name, and putting name also you can see, but I will not interested to make the C5 name, but it will be on the soft drawing, but soft drawing is not our scope. In that case only I will focus on model. So C2 will be the next, I believe. So C2 size will be 6 by 4. So in that case what I can, so copy this block and here take it and ungroup and select it and edit type and here duplicate, and here for that I have to take 6 and here I have to take 4 6 and 20 inches. Okay, so here I have to take 6 and here I need to take it 4 and okay, and you can take rotate it by spacebar and move it on this location and move the column also and place it here and stretch, or don't need to stretch, no need. So here 6 feet 6 inch, 4 feet 6 inch, same block is here, and the rotation of the column is different. So here C2 will be the group name, already C2 is taken, so in that case select them and they are selected, group it, and C2B will be the name C2B, and here okay, and copy the group, and I need another C2 here, and you can place it here and rotate it like this. So place it and rotate it by reference, and the column it is not good, so here ungroup again and align the column and stretch the element like this. So here I need the point, and here also I need the point, and here okay, this is good, and here select it and here group it again and C2, and now I am looking for the different, so C3, and here copy it and copy from here and take it the element here, and it will be the C3, and here ungroup and it will totally different here, and after that so rotate the element, or you can rotate it by 90 degree. Now move the element here on this location. Okay, on this location I need it, and here this will be C3, and here select them, and here it will be on different group name and it will be C3, and okay, so here next column will be here, but problem is that I have to rotate it and here 90 degree, and here this is okay, and here it is 4 feet 6 inch and 4 feet 6 inch. If there is any group for that, I believe no. So 4 6 there is group, and here this is another group, this is another group, and this is another group. So everything is okay, but problem is the different size. So 5 feet is now done, so 5 by the size is now different. So here 5 feet 6 inch different block I need, so copy it from here, and here I need to copy and leave it and rotate it, so rotate 90 degree, and after that the different file I need it, the different size here 4 feet 6 inch and 5 feet 6 inch. For that I need to copy the group and I need to take it here and ungroup it, and it should be the different here, edit type, and here duplicate, and it should be 5 feet 6 inch by 4 feet 6 inch, and 20 inch will be the exact size, and there will be no change, and here I need 5 and here will be 4, and now that's it, and okay, and there will be no change, only what I'll do, so here select them together and move it here, move it on this location and rotate it. Okay, so place it and rotate it like this, and here I have to rotate the column also and move the element here on this location, and you can stretch the point up to this, and here after that you can do one thing, I have to make the element with a group, so it will be C1. Already I have taken the C1 group, and you can see, so C1A I can take, so select them and here the group, so C1B or A, let me take, okay, already I know, so B I can take, Okay, C1B, it will be the name, and here after that the size the same here. So copy the group, and here I need it, and move the group here on this location, and rotate the group, and the size is different. So here for that, place the point here, and I can take it along with this and move the element, and here I need it to move, so move it again on this location. Now the column also matching as per the alignment, no issue. So the next will be where, so the next I am looking for this one are the same size, so I can take it, so copy it from here, and I can take on another element, so rotate it and 90-degree I can take it and move the element here on this location, and this is perfect. And now this is also same, so copy the element from this location and I can take it another element. So here after that everything is matching, I believe. Let me find and let me check, review it, and here everything is now done. So go to the 3D and you can see the floor how it looks. So the around wall I have to make it on the different file. So first I believe everything is good, and here let me check in the shade or realistic view. You can see in the realistic view it looks like this. So all the elements looks as a structure, and these are the structural element. So everything is good, I believe. Now the next will be what, so the next will be, so let me save the file and let me check the another link. So VB, and here the import category I have to take this CAD and OK, and you can see the wall. So this wall will be same as the drawing. Here you can see the ground and first, so I have to load the ground and first also inside the Revit. So in that case what we'll do, so here for this, so go to the Revit again, and here structure is ready. So the next will be the other floor. So for that I have to do one thing, the road level is now over, so I have to go for the ground floor. So here I have to load the CAD. So before it, what I will do, go to the road level again, because I need the CAD alignment first, then I have to copy into the ground floor. So in that case here insert, and here link CAD, and after that here the architecture ground floor, take the current view only, origin to origin, perfect, and auto detect, and open it. And here you have to check the other CAD, I have to unpin and then select and unpin and move the element. Here I need this corner, and the same corner will be here, otherwise there will be a typical column location, and let me take this point as a reference. So you can see everything is matching as per the structure CAD. So what will be the next task, so the ground floor level architecture I need to finish, or before architecture I have to finish the structure. Okay, so now you can see everything is matching. In that case copy it from this floor and go to the ground floor, and here just go to the modify, and here paste and current view. You can see it is already matching with this existing floor. This is the existing floor and this is the architecture. So first will be the select the CAD and here pin the element. So in that case it will be easy. So here for the first floor I have to copy the element. So before go to the first floor I have to go to the road level again, and here remove the other or keep the same, no problem, or remove it. Okay, so VB and import category, and from here architecture ground floor I don't need it, and here remove this, and I don't need this structure footing base, and okay. So now the footing drawing is visible only, and I have to load the other drawing. So I need this drawing also because for the reference purpose, and again go to the insert and here the link CAD, and after that go to this architecture first floor, and then current view everything will be same, open, and you can see it is loaded here on this location. So select it and unpin it first, then move it on this location, on the same location, because the reference point is same. This corner I can take as a common reference, and you can see everything is matching with the other link CAD drawing, so it should be the same. And okay, everything is okay, everything looks good. Now I have to confirm everything good. Okay, so copy from here, because I don't need to cut, because maybe in case in future there is any mistake, in that case I can verify these things from this floor. So copy it from here, copy, Ctrl C, and here go to the first floor, and here just modify, and here paste the current view. So you can see this is the original location as per this below setup, and don't need to move it, and it will be the same. So here select this, and here pin the element. So here close the pin and attach option, and now you cannot select anything in this drawing. So here you cannot, so here is no snap, only you can see, you can select the Revit element. So this is the only snap line, but no problem, leave it for now. Now what I can, I have to go to the ground floor. Here you can see the wall and column, so I have to take the column first. So for that what I can, so go to the 3D again, you can see the same column is running to the other floor, I believe. So in that case, finish floor, I need to hide it for temporary, and here just tab it and tab it, because they are inside the group, that's why you have to tab it and then select, then tab it, tab and then select, and again tab and tab, select and tab, select, tab, select, tab, select, tab, select. Like this you have to select the all column. So I don't want to ungroup any element, so it will be helpful in future. In that case you have to tab the element, and you can tab it, and you can select the element from the group. So now you can see all the columns are now selected. So go to the section, so here the section, so I need to copy it. So copy, and I need to copy from here, remove the constant and take the element on this location. Now you can see on the ground floor, so go to the ground floor, and here the floor is coming, but you can see the snap, the column is now here. So in that case what we can, go to the setting VV, and here import category, so just make the architecture background halftone. Okay, so you can take the columns are now darker mode, and in the same setting I need the on the first floor and VV, and here import category, and here the architecture first floor I need to halftone, and here you can see the background, it should be halftone, and here go to the road level, and here VV, and here all the element I need it halftone, because all the CAD background I need it as a halftone setup. So here everything good, and you can see the bright. Now let me check on the 3D, and you can see, so HR again, you can see the columns above the floor. So you can go to the plan for the ground floor, and here I have to check the section, and here you can see the section, the ground floor, I have to copy the same finish floor on the first floor. So here go to this Revit, and here section I need to copy the other floor. So here you can see I did one mistake, you can see the mistake here, the finish floor will be on the ground floor. In that case what will happen, okay, so I do the mistake here, move the element, and here I can move it. You can see everything is now changed. So for that you have to go to the 3D again, here go to the right or any other view, and here select them and just unselect the floor, and here move them and move them here. So constant I need to remove, and here you cannot move in the 3D. So in that case what will happen, so here for that, so just go to the ground floor and take a section. Okay, so take a section on this location, and here just go to the section, and here you can make it fine, and here the wireframe. Now you can stretch the element like this. This is the only option. You can see the ground floor. So no, I did another mistake, so everything is okay. I will do the same thing here. You can align them, so here the snap point, and you cannot align this, yeah, you can align them like this, or otherwise you have to align again in the future. In that case copy the finished floor and copy it here, and you can align the column up to this, because it will be the final destination. So here you can align them like this, so it will be the solution for now only. So here you can align them like this. So here now they are aligned, but the bottom side, so here align them like this. So align them, and oh, I did the mistake again. So why I do the mistake, but I don't know, maybe for the speed. So here you can align it. Okay, so here what is this, I don't know, leave it. And here align them on this edge. So just it will take time, but no problem. Okay, so here for this group element, so here edit group only, you can stretch them up to this. So finish it, and here edit group again, every time you have to do the same thing. And here select the group and edit. Oh, already it is done. Finish it and tab it, and here, and I believe tab it, and here edit group and stretch the element up to this and finish it. And again in this case also you have to edit group and stretch the element up to this and finish it. And here also, okay, it is selected, edit group and stretch the column up to this and finish it. And here also edit the group and stretch the element up to this and finish it. And now they are typical. So edit group and here edit group and stretch the element up to this. And here also select the group first, edit group and select and stretch the element up to the floor and finish it. And here edit the group and here you can drag it up to this. And here also only one element is remaining. Yeah, it is selected, edit group and stretch the element up to the finished floor and stretch the element, and you can finish the element. So here it is now done. Go to the 3D again, you can see the different, it is the ground floor and it is the first floor. And I don't have the information for the distance, but for now leave the floor like this. And here go to this ground floor, you can see the column, the same thing will come. So this is 10 feet 6 inch. So I have to copy another finished floor up to the roof. So here go to the road level and here go to any section and copy the finished floor. Here copy them and here copy it. So the column I have to copy for the first floor. So here go to the 3D again and here you can check. So just go to the right and here select them like this. So unselect the finished floor and you can copy them in the section. Okay, so copy from here and remove the constant, and here I can take them here. And you can check the columns up to this level. So I have to stretch them. So for that you have to go to this ground floor again. You can see this section is huge, so everything will be visible here. So this view is wireframe, so align them like this. So you can see like this, but there is no drop slab. In that case it is very easy, and in case if there is drop slab you have to draw another finished floor. So okay, no problem. In this project I will consider there will be no beam. So if there is beam, so that time I have to draw the other element. So go to the 3D, you can see it is roof, and here this option I am not happy because this is too much, and this is how much big. So go to the section, and here let me see the section how much big, DI, and this is the road level. So from the road level how much depth I have to go. So here 8 feet only the distance. I believe it is good. 8 feet I have to take it because this is very big building. Now you can see the section here, the section, anything remaining on this section? No. So there will be another slope floor, but is it mandatory for now? Let me check. So this slope where it is, I don't know. So let me find out the CAD. So here if anything mentioned in the slope floor, so here you can see. So I believe this corner only will be slope, but there is no proper section. In that case I will leave this slope floor. In that case, okay, I believe everything is clear now. So here other thing you can check in the structure. Let me find it. Okay, so here the stair, it will be on the architecture drawing, and all they will be in the architecture drawing. So okay, I believe everything is clear. So now I have to save the file and I have to go for the architecture model. So everything is good and just it is over. So save the file and Ctrl S, close the unnecessary view, and here this is the tower architecture or structure model. No need for now. If anything we need, so I will take it. So just no and close the model. So in this Revit only the structure model is open now. So just save again. Now we will create the architecture model. So for that case, so in that case what we'll do, so go to this architecture here. This is the tower architecture. So here close the unnecessary view, and we have to make a new architecture for this building. So here for that, here file and new, and here project, and here I have to take the architecture template, and project I have to take, and okay. And now we have to link the structure model into it. So for that what we'll do, so here for that go to the link, and here go to the link Revit, and for that select this link Revit model, and here origin to origin I have to take, and here I need to take anything. This is local model. In that case there is no option. So here just open. Now you can see it will be loaded here, the location here, but problem is that the same thing you can see in the section. So there will be no level. So in that case you can see I have to copy the level, but before copy I have to check the level 1 and level 2, the existing level inside this project. So here there will be level 1 and level 2. So what they are I don't know, so I have to find out the location. So here go to this Revit, and here let me check the VV, and after that so here Revit link just show up, and let me check this is the level 1 level 2. So before delete this level I have to take the level from the structure. So for that VB again, and here the Revit link. So here home structure I need to take it, and I select the link, and for that so just attach option and pin option I need it for now. So here for the copy monitor collaborate, and here copy monitor. So copy monitor, select the link, select the structure link, and here copy and select the all links. So multiple I have to take, and select the all elements, and before the finish go to the filter, and here I need to take only levels, no need floor because they will be in the structure model. So here okay, and after that you can see the levels are only selected element. So just finish it here. After that here copy monitor and finish it, and you can see here the levels has been copied. And now go to the VB, and here Revit link I need to show up, and here the level 1 and level 2. So you can see the level 2 it is now selected, so delete it, and okay. Now level 1 I'm looking for, so the level 1 here, so just delete it, and okay. Now it is, you can see only the levels from the structure, so there is no floor plan. So for that go to the view, and here plan view and floor plan I have to take the first floor, ground, roof, and road level. So all the level I need it, and okay. And I need the ceiling plan also, but it will be for the reflected ceiling plan, and here first floor and ground floor I need it only, because road level I don't need it because there will be no ceiling, because it will be underground. So okay, and you can see the ceiling level, and here the 4 level for the floor plan. Now we have to go for the model for the first floor architecture. So now the model is ready, so Ctrl S, and I need to save the model, and it will be home architecture. So let me take arch. Now it is good architecture, then save the model here on this location. Now I have to link the CAD in the same location. So for that what we will do, so I have to go for the ground floor. Now just close the unnecessary view. So I need the element from this tower architecture model, but for now let me take the link CAD here in this architecture model. So for that here insert, and here link CAD, the same link I need here, and here arch ground floor and current view only I need it, and auto detect it will be an open, and now it will be here on this location. And after that select the link and here unpin and move the element and take this corner as a base point, and you can move it here on this same location. So you can see the CAD is not visible here, so for that find and make it wireframe. So you can see the elements is now visible, so CAD element. So here for that VV, and here the import category, and here half tone I need it on the link CAD. So here you can see the background is now half tone, so select the link CAD and select it, and here the pin option, you can pin it because for safety purpose we have to take it. So here the ground floor background is ready, and I have to go for the first floor. You can see the first floor I have to take the CAD link, so link CAD, and here I need so arch first floor and current view only origin to origin and open it, and you can see it is loaded here on this location. So select it and unpin it first and move the element and take this corner and move it here on this location, and you can see it is not visible, and here fine, and let me take it wireframe. Now it is visible, so select the CAD and take the pin, and here go to the VB and import category, and here let me take the half tone and okay. Now we have to take the architecture wall. Okay, so for that let me check the column again. So here you can see the snap, so I need to stop it. So here for the attachment and pin option I have to deactivate, and you can see there is no selection snap. So now you can check the column, it is selecting here, or you can see this is the structural link model. In that case, when you are removing the attachments option, so just first unattach option. Now you can see select the element, and it is link Revit model and home structure model, so it is matching as per the CAD. Only I have to do the architecture wall. So TL again, you can see the covering wall I have to make it in the different way, so it will be a different story because okay I have to check and it is not matching, so there is change. So let me check in the structure model. So I have to take the first floor, and here there is no CAD background. Why? So again ground floor, there is model, and here for the first floor I have to copy the CAD link. So here the CAD link where I can find, so VB, and here import category. So remove this one also for selecting purpose, and only architecture first floor is visible. So okay, and you can select it from here. So for it, so just unpin and unattach option I need to check and copy from here and go to the first floor, and here just paste the CAD here, and it is not visible. As you can see, fine option and wireframe option I have to take, and first select the CAD and just pin it again, and you can go for the EV, and here import category, and here take the half tone option is already active, no problem. Okay, and here the pin and attachment option I have to take. So here you can see the all column, so it is matching, but sometime you can see this column is not matching. In that case, so just take this point, okay, so remove constant and take this point here, and now it is moving. So again let me check other column, it is also not matching, so move it here, and let me find the other column, it is matching, it is matching, it is matching, and it is not matching. So here let me check the sizes, so it is not matching because the size is different. So here, so move the element on this location, again you can see, so it is matching, it is also matching, it is matching, and it is matching, everything is matching. So I have to check the ground floor also because maybe there can be some changes. So everything is good here, so go to the ground floor again, and let me check the CAD background and the different, and here also some different. Here you can move the element here on this location and it is okay. Now I have to check the other column. So it is matching, it is matching, it is also matching everything. Only this one I have to move. Every time it is not matching. So here the other column I need to move it, and here for that you can see. Okay, so let me check road level, and here hide the other element, only take this one. And let me check again, because these two cases this is not correct in the proper location. So in that case, so why Ctrl Z again, so it is in the group. In that case, so here it is, so edit, and it is available here. So this column it is on the ground floor, but problem, okay, so just I have to hide them from this floor. So in that case what we'll do, so this is road level floor. In that case I have to take the height up to this. So up to this I can take, so 3 feet 2 inch. So for that road level, and I need to hide the ground floor column here. So go to the view range, and here I need it 3 feet 2 inch. So here I need 2 feet, and here remove the other thing. Okay, I don't need it. And here I need 3 feet and remove the other. Okay, so here this is 3 feet and 2 feet, and everything is good. Okay, and now you can see the ground floor column is now hidden from this plan view. So everything is good, I believe. No doubt or no problem in this drawing. Now everything looks good. There is a problem. So here you can see this is LC and it is not matching. So here stretch the column up to this, and okay, finish it, and let me check. Oh, so you can see there are more other groups, so cancel it because I don't need it. So close this one, and yes, I don't need any changes. So for this group only, this is LC, but this size is different. In that case, ungroup. Again, stretch the this element up to this. Again, select them. So the thing is, just go to the group, and here let me take it C1. Okay. No, there is no C1C group, so that is fine. So I have updated everything on the road level, and let me check again ground floor. So there is the changes, so you can see this is good. And here the below column, it is visible here in this floor. In that case you can adjust, but no problem, everything is good. But there is another more extra, this is all, no need. And here you can see it is not matching. So here move the column, and it is now good, and everything is good, I believe. So okay, done. So okay, no problem. So now you can see, go to the 3D, you can see this looks good, and go to the first floor and close the unnecessary view and save the model and save it, local save. And here go for the architecture. This is the architecture model, and here manage link ML shortcut, and select this link and reload only, because already this is linked. And okay, you can see everything is now changed, everything looks good. Now in this next video, what I'll do, I will go for the architecture model, and it will be more interesting, I believe. And every furniture will be here, and the fixture, for plumbing fixture also I have to place, and it will be also important. So here save the model and local save the model, and close the unnecessary view. And architecture model I don't need to save, and close this model. And this is the architecture model. Save time is 10:56, and here this is structure model. Save the model, and I believe it looks good. I believe you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video as much as possible. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.